Okay, you guys, so my kid asked if I could make something for his friends at school, and I said, why not? So I end up pulling 3 of these, of the bags that I made from the dollar store. Super easy to make. This one's in pink, and this one's in red. Okay, so these are for his best friends at school, and one is for my godchild. So for the godchild's ornament, look what I made. A Hello Kitty. Isn't this adorable? She's gonna go crazy. I heard Hello Kitty was gonna be her theme all year. So one Hello Kitty and 2 chocolates. Now for Manuel and Antonio, I made this for the stocking stuffers. How cute is that? Isn't that adorable? So it's Spider-Man and a soccer ball, which I could have painted that white. And then for his best friends, I made this one. One of them plays football while the other one plays basketball. So I'm gonna have to make sure I write their names down for each kid and I don't get it confused. I thought this was a great, simple, easy gift. And they will both have 2 of the chocolates. And 2 of the chocolates. I just wanted to show you those because they're going to go in their stocking stuffers. Okay? And then since kids, I don't know what to give kids nowadays, I decided to get game cards. So one for the PlayStation and then 2 for the Nintendo Switch. So I thought this was a great gift idea, you guys. If you're going to give your kids friends anything for Christmas, that way they can go ahead and go play, because you know that's what they're going to do anyways on Christmas Day. But how cute are these? I just had to share them with you. Something cute, something little, something simple, you know, that the boys actually wanted to make for their friends, their best friends. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Merry Christmas, Feliz Navidad. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and until next time, bye you guys.